Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I'm back with another one of my 22 top tips to really build your immunity and help you to get healthy, happy, and well, and avoid all the craziness that's going on in the world right now. This one might seem obvious, but avoid touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Hey, this can be so tough, and I just did it, but it's so worth it, okay? My next tip is to stay home when you're sick. I know you're going, yeah, duh, Kathryn, right? But unless you need urgent medical attention, just stay home in your cozy house, hibernate a little, slow down, feel good. And if you like this tip and you're hungry for all my tips, click on over to my website, download my 22 top tips to really build your immunity and feel fantastic. And explore my 3 Months to Thrive programs while you're there. In my 3 Months to Thrive programs, you learn to not only transform your relationship with food, you learn to transform your relationship with life. Don't you want to be happy? So thank you. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love your life. Click on over. Bye-bye.